Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter not enough memory error while you're opening any program or app, then watch this video to fix it. The first thing we'll need to do is run a RAM check or a memory check. So we'll press the Windows and the R key and we'll enter the line MDSCHED and hit the enter button and then click on restart now and check for problems. So it will restart your computer, it will shut down the computer, run the memory check, repair any issues and then restart the computer, and you should be able to get rid of this not enough memory while opening any app or program. But if that too doesn't work, then we can just restart the Windows but in the clean boot configuration. So for that we'll go to system configuration and then we will go to services, and very importantly you need to click on hide Microsoft services and then you need to disable the services. So what we are looking for here is basically to the problematic service. So you can say select 6 services at one time, disable them, click on apply, OK, and click on restart. If this problem occurs, you can narrow down 3 services at a time, and then if the problem doesn't occur, you can do this for the other services. So basically the entire purpose of this exercise is to find the service that is causing this not enough memory error on Windows. Now if that too doesn't work, a surefire workaround, it's not a fix but a workaround, is to restart Windows Explorer. So we look for the task manager and then we will look for Windows Explorer. We will click on it and then we will click on restart task. Once it restarts, you should not have this error message again. And another solution is to run the app from the original location. So don't run it from the shortcut because sometimes these shortcuts can get corrupted. So right click on it and then you can click on open file location and it should take you to the original file location, and then you can open the app from that location and this error message should not show. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.